Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru. In today's video in the National Flood Insurance Program course, we're discussing policy assumptions. Today we're going to talk about what is a policy assumption and what's the benefit of a policy assumption. So, in order to truly understand a policy assumption, we need to talk about the legacy program. This was the program before FEMA's new program that was released in 2021. Now, traditionally, policy assumptions were very beneficial for properties that already had a policy in place. What a policy assumption did is it kind of protected the rate. So you go to get a new quote from the flood insurance program, maybe $2,000. But there's a current policy out there for $650 a year. When you did a policy assumption, what this policy assumption is, you're transferring the policy from one homeowner to the next. It's protecting that rate. So traditionally, policy assumptions were very beneficial when people were purchasing and selling properties. And it could be extremely beneficial in post-firm and pre-firm properties. Now let's talk about risk rating 2.0 and policy assumptions. Policy assumptions are not as beneficial as they used to be, and one reason is now is that FEMA is giving credit for continuous coverage. So if you can still show the policy information for someone who maybe currently has a policy on that property and you're buying that property from them, you can still get some of the same benefits of doing a policy assumption, but still setting up your own policy where you don't have to go through the process of moving it from one property owner to the next, because that can take a little bit of time. So these are policy assumptions, the legacy program, risk rating 2.0, how they work, the benefits of them. So if you've got other questions about policy assumptions, we do have information on our website, floodinsuranceguru.com, where you can learn more about these policy assumptions and the benefits of continuous coverage and setting up a new policy. Thank you.